and it's 2,000 peppers. I did nothing. I babysat nothing. I watched nothing. I watered nothing. I had to keep my eyes on nothing. And these torpedo pots just grew and harvested whatever seed I planted into it. It's just that easy. It's just simple growing. It's just simple. It's better. It's more simpler. It's more simple than simple because you do
Growing planter. It grows your food for you. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front.
The water comes through the torpedo pot and it comes through here, and this is a sprayer. This is like a sprayer, and this is the water delivery system right here, and that's why you do nothing. And it's 2,000. We grew 2,000 peppers just like that. 2,000 unblemished, organic, homegrown.
Take a different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. A lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with torpedo pot.
I would always have to water. I'd have to come and water and water and water. And after years of that, it's a strain. You want to go see the world. You want to do some exciting things. You just want to take some time for yourself. So torpedo pot actually changed my life, changed my family's life. Reason that this is leaning. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Look at all those peppers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This planter probably gets the most sun out of all of them. That's probably why it's so prolific. This is on a corner. But oh my gosh. Just wanted to share that with you, and my hope is that it changes your life like it did mine. I love homegrown, I love organic, I love to be in control of what I'm eating, and this gives me my autonomy. I love it now, especially as prices go up in the market. My price since 2017, when Torpedo Pot was started, my price has been the same. It's not changed, and I intend to keep it that way, and you can too. So I challenge you to sign on to torpedopot.com and become a grower. Become an organic grower. Be in control of what you eat, how you eat, and when you eat. Hello. Welcome to Torpedo Pot, the home of Torpedo Pot, where Daryl Addison is the owner, the founder, and the inventor of what we call Torpedo Pot. It's a self-watering planting system, and it is the easiest thing you will ever find on the market for gardening. You don't have to babysit it. You don't have to watch it. You just wait until it's time to harvest, and you come out. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 pounds of peppers with no intervention, no watering, no work, no watching. 2,000 peppers. You can grow whatever you want, how many you want, when you want, providing you're in the right season for what you want to grow. There is nothing you can't do with a torpedo pot.